Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books on how to draw cartoons. And as you know, I like to give you little tips on different areas of cartooning rather than just show you, here's a really boring face and here's how to draw it in 3 steps. They take more than 3 steps because you don't want a boring face. And I want to show you some interesting, tidbits and things that you can use in your own drawing. So today I want to show you how to draw a pretty female character. I'm going to give her a kind of a wide head shape. And I'm going to use my marker afterwards just to get everything in place because, the pencil is great for sketching, but then we don't want something that's quite so light for the finished drawing. Center line. Put a little shoulder here. And here's the eye line very low because we're going to give her big eyes. When you want to give a character big eyes, you better start very low, otherwise you run out of forehead. So let's put these kind of tilted almonds right here on the side. But even with just the initial look of it, I like to put the eyelashes going up. It just kind of sets the stage for what's going on. It gives you a dynamic, otherwise it just kind of sits there very big and imposing. Let's bring this down just a touch. Just going to cut that down like that. Good. So let's just bring a nice big pupil on the center each, looking at us, but also partially submerged into the upper eyelid. And we'll flatten out the bottoms a little bit, otherwise you have too much whites under the eyes. So you can always adjust. And nice high arched eyebrows. Female eyebrows arch more than male eyebrows. That's actually a physical fact. So let's bring a short bridge of the nose down and a little turned up tip, like this. And we'll add some more to make the eyes a little bit spruced up here. Some more feathering, like this. And also a little bit of upper eyelid here. All right, now a little bit of a smile, a small smile. Like that. And now I'm going to bring the sides of the face in just a little bit here. Not quite so wide. Again, adjusting as we go along. As it looks like it needs something, we can give it to him. It's our drawing. We can change it any way we want. And we don't get points for getting it right the first time. Just get it right. Use as many times as you want or as few. It's up to you. Alright, so see, I've narrowed the whole thing down a little bit here. And I'll part her in the middle. And come out like this. I give her a longer neck, and I'm going to angle the face a little higher. So it's not quite as wide. And I'll be able to use a marker now and get started. Also think a little higher on the hair. Would look good. A little more height to the head. Okay. Now let's get with those eyes. Very thick upper eyelids. That's the thickest part of the eye, right there. And the eyelash at the end. The first eyelash. Everything else is a little bit less bold. See? Bring this down. So why am I doing them together at the same time than finishing one? Because that way you keep them even. If you finish one completely, you go to the next one, you can really mess it up. You want to make sure you're doing the same thing on one that you're doing on the other. Okay, get that sphere correct. And let's leave a circle at the top for a shine. That's good. And we can add even a little more blackness here. A little bit more with the lashes. A crease for the eyelid, just above the eyelid. A small smile going up like this at a nice angle. Now the temptation might be to draw female eyebrows very, very light, but they look good if they have, if they're bold. So don't worry about making them too light. I'm going to bring the chin down a touch. Some stars in Hollywood you see have very bold eyebrows. They're pretty and they are expressive. So some of the hair will fall in front of the eyebrows. Let's put a little bit of a part here, indicate it by starting there, coming down, and a big flip. Same thing here, down, and a big flip. We can add an earring below each ear. And there we go. There is a nice, pretty character with a little bit of emphasis on the eyes for you. And if you want to see more stuff about drawing character faces, cartoon character faces, I've got that right here in my book, Cartoon Faces, How to Draw Heads, Features, and Expressions. Somebody's got all sorts of new tricks and tips for you. Anyway, thank you for coming and for taking a look at my video today and sharing this time with me. And please subscribe. I have new videos free every week. Take care. Bye-bye.